welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-verify ng Shopee Pay dito sa Shopee. So, start na agad tayo. First is go to your Shopee account. And then, pumunta kayo dito sa Me. So, paano nga ba mag-verify ng Shopee Pay? So, ayan, punta kayo dito sa Shopee Pay, sa payment method. And then, pumunta kayo dito sa Shopee Pay Balance. Itap nyo tong verify. Then, dito is complete your account verification to access this service. So, upload a valid ID and confirm your personal information. Tap nyo tong proceed. And then, keep your access to Shopee Pay service. So, upload ID. Tap nyo to. Then, din dito sa baba is tap nyo tong I agree, tong dalawang to, and then tap next. After nan is start facial verification. So, nakalagay dyan, make sure there is enough light in your background. Please do not cover your face with hair, glasses, hands, scarf, or any accessories. Number 3, please do not move around while verifying. So, itap nyo yan. And then, magbe-verify tayo. After none is identify verification, and then yung get personal info from PhilSys. So, mag-upload tayo dito ng ating ID, tsaka ID number. So, ang akin dito is itong national ID. Kung anong mga valid ID na meron kayo. So, ang akin is itong national ID. Ilagay nyo dito sa ID number yung ID number ng inyong national ID. Then, after nyo mailagay, itap nyo itong proceed with national ID. So, ayan, mag-upload tayo ng ating ID, national ID. So, nakalagay dito sa ID type is yung national ID, ilalagay nyo. And then, yung front of ID card and yung back of ID card. So, kailangan nyo siyang picturean yung likod at harap ng inyong ID. So, ayan, after nyo ma-picture ng inyong mga IDs, tap nyo itong confirm. So, dito is may personal information kayong pipil up pa. So, nandyan yung first name hanggang dito sa present address. So, fill upan nyo yan, and then kapag okay na, is itap nyo itong confirm. Then, after nyo ma-fill upan buong personal information, is itap nyo na itong confirm. So, ayan, double check nyo lang if may mga mali kayo. Then, kapag okay na, is itap nyo tong confirm. So, ayan, nakapag-submit na tayo ng ating information dito sa Shopee Pay. So, nakalagay dyan, we are reviewing your application. We will notify you once we are done verifying your information. Then, kapag okay na, is tap nyo tong okay. And then, mag-aantay na lang tayo ng verification ni Shopee. Kung na-verify ba yung ating personal information dito sa Shopee Pay. So, ayan, ganun lang kasimple mag-verify ng information dito sa Shopee Pay or dito sa Shopee. So, yun lang. Sana nakatulong. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para palagi kayong updated sa mga video tutorial na in-upload ko. So, yun lang. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!